Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add form fields to a document and send it for e-signature using Sign Made Easy. First, open your document in a document editor tool. Now drag and drop the required form fields onto the document, such as name, title, email, and signature. Once all the required fields have been added, switch to Salesforce. Open the record and click on the button Used to Send Documents. Click Upload Files and select the document. Once the document is uploaded, add the recipients you want to send documents to. Next, select the Assign from Fields checkbox and send the document. The document will be sent to the selected recipients. Now recipients can access the document. They can fill in the required fields, including name, email address, title, and signature. Once all fields have been completed, click on Finish. The signed document can also be downloaded if needed. And that's how you can add form fields to a document, assign them to recipients, and send for e-signature using Sign Made Easy.